Welcome back on this First Alert Weather Day. A First Alert Weather Day is in effect for the entire P today, extending through tomorrow as well. We've been forecasting this and warning you and first alerting you to this since last week. It's because of the dangerous cold, those wind chills down into around 40 below zero, even though temperatures will be in the teens below zero. Here's the entire area that it encompasses. The entire region of the UP under a First Alert Weather Day today as well as tomorrow. Here are the alerts. We have extreme cold warnings in effect for the Royal Shade Blue areas until 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and we also have some cold weather advisories in effect as well through tomorrow afternoon. Now, wind chill readings this afternoon in the 20s, still below zero to teens below zero across the east. Tomorrow morning, 30s to 40s below zero along the Wisconsin state line. Tomorrow afternoon, 20s below zero. Now let's take a look at Wednesday, because that's when we start to notice some changes and we start to slowly rebound. Wind chill readings on Wednesday in the single numbers. That's an improvement. And as far as temperatures today, we're expecting teens below zero in the west end to single numbers below zero in the central and the eastern counties. For our overnight lows and tomorrow morning, waking up to temperatures in the 20s below zero for a good chunk of our interior areas. And tomorrow afternoon in the teens below zero with some single numbers below zero. But here's a look at Wednesday. Wednesday morning single numbers and even some teens for Wednesday afternoon. Again, as we start to rebound. But this dangerous cold, if you are not prepared and you are out in the elements for an extended period of time, you could easily start to see frostbite develop within 10 to 20 minutes if you are in these conditions outside today without the appropriate gear to help you keep you warm in the elements we are encountering today. Here's that big cold Arctic air. This is the jet stream at the mid levels. This big trough pushes east as we head towards tomorrow and into Wednesday. There's going to be a slow process to see some milder air move in and this cold air to improve. Aside from the cold air, we have slippery road conditions with lake effect snow continuing. We could have reduced visibility at times. Again, this is for our lake effect prone areas, gusts of around 25 miles per hour. Winter weather advisories in effect for the purple shaded counties through tomorrow morning for those lake effect prone areas. And we're still seeing some of that lake effect across portions of Alger County this morning and along College Avenue in northern Houghton County. It is light in nature and we'll continue with those along those northwest wind belts into the afternoon, extending into the evening. This is tomorrow where we will start to notice winds change. They become westerly and southwesterly. And by doing that, we'll start to notice those lake effect bands push offshore and we'll see an end to that lake effect snow as well. As far as additional snowfall for today through tomorrow evening, 3 to 6 inches within those lake effect bands, but the higher elevation spots could push in excess of 7 inches of snow. This again goes through tomorrow evening. After that, we are monitoring a disturbance to bring in some scattered snow on Wednesday and some light lake effect on Thursday. Temperatures climbing into the teens for highs.